Hello, chemistry students. This is Mrs. Mitzik. This is an introduction to our mini unit on solutions. We're doing this mini unit because we want to get ready for some material that we'll be going over in chapter 19, which is acids and bases. You want to have a very good handle on this information as it does set up some structure for chapter 19. So don't just try to rip your way through this stuff. Try to really think about it, concentrate, understand what's happening. So this is a 3-day unit. The first 2 days you'll be watching a video, and I suggest taking very good notes. If I'm working on a problem, stop, try to anticipate what's going to happen next for the next step in that problem, and then restart the video to see if you were right in what you anticipated. When you're taking notes, don't just copy down what's going on, but try to translate it into your kind of language. Paraphrase the information. That's going to give you better understanding. Then, when you're done taking the notes, go and take the quiz. And if you don't understand stuff right off the top of your head, then go back to your notes. And if you really have to, you can go back to the videos. On the third day, you will be taking a summative quiz. We haven't had any of those. We usually put them in the assignment category. This summative quiz is meant to just check to see how you're doing with the material. Because it's such a short unit, we are making it open note. So you won't have to come into a Google Meet. You won't have to be on GoGuardian. You're going to just use your notes and your knowledge, the stuff in your noggin, to figure out what the answers are. I highly, again, encourage you to really take this seriously because it does set up an infrastructure or a structure for you to build upon when we get on to the next unit, which is on acids and bases. As usual, if you do have any questions as you're going through this unit, just let your teachers know. You can go at your own pace through this unit, but the expectation is that you will be completed with the material by the end of the day on Tuesday. So, without further ado, good luck, have fun with the mini unit.